Are you thinking about making a move to Greensboro, North Carolina, and you are looking for an amazingly quiet, townhouse community here in Greensboro? If you are, then today you're going to want to check out this video. My name is Meredith Parsons. I'm a realtor. I live here and love it here. I want you to move here and love it here as much as I do. And if you could do this, it'd be so awesome. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because each week I'm going to be taking on a little tour, a little adventure of all things Greensboro Tri-area, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. You ready to go check out Carriage Crossing? Let's go. We are here today in the neighborhood of Carriage Crossing. Carriage Crossing is a townhouse community. We are in Greensboro, we are in Guilford County, and we are in the zip code of 27410. And this neighborhood was established between 1985 and 1994. So that's giving you an age of the homes here. It is in western Greensboro, so it is just inside the loop. And when I say just inside, it's like just right there. So this neighborhood is super quiet. It is super convenient to everything. And I love that it's just tucked back in here and it's really quiet. You can't hear anything. It's great. So you highway-wise, you are a minute to 840. You're about 4 minutes to 40. You're about 10 minutes to Battleground. So you can get around super easily in terms of highway driving. You are 5 minutes, 7 minutes maybe. I would say 6, 7, just so the kids could laugh, to the airport, to PTI, and you're 15 minutes to Downtown Greensboro. Here's an overview on the neighborhood. It is quiet, it is secluded, and there's trees everywhere. They have little lakes here, like little, not lakes, but like little ponds, and like white picket fences, and they just make it super cute, and I'm here for that. And then here is all trees, and there's a creek back there, and then on the other side there is the greenway. I don't know how they all connect. I've tried looking at it on the map, and I'm obviously geographically challenged because I can't figure it out. But it does. The greenway, the Avg Greenway, is right behind this property. Let's talk house pricing. So the average house price here in this development is $262,000. They range between $261,000 to $315,000, all depending on how big they are. And to give you an idea of sizes, there are some that are 1,000 square feet, which is on the smaller side, and then up to 1,700. But the average is 1,500 square feet for the townhouses here. And the price per square foot ranges between $172 to $201, with the average being $175. So these are typically 2 and 3 beds, 2 and 3 baths. Some are 2 with a half bath. I mean, it all just depends on which layout that you're getting. Some have no garages, some have 1, some have 2. So there's lots of different options here. There is an HOA here because it is a townhouse community, maintenance free of taking care of the outside. They take care of the common areas. So that's $242 a month. There are no amenities except for that. And being able to just walk around this, cute little neighborhood. The taxes here are 1.4%, and you are on city water and you are on city sewer. And because there are no amenities here, I would say the closest swim and tennis to this would be Pine Top. Or the Cardinal, actually. Those would both be good swim and tennises to join. The Cardinal does have a golf course if you wanted to do a golfing membership, not just a social, which is swim and tennis. You'd have to look into the pricing. All of them change. I would say it's $1,000, but I think it's probably gone up in price. But definitely check into those, Pine Top and the Cardinal. Let's talk grocery shopping. The closest grocery store is a Harris Teeter, and it's 3 minutes away. It's right on the corner of Fenley and Guilford College. If you wanted to go over to New Garden, there's tons over there. You have an Aldi, you have a Fresh Market, you have a Lowe's Foods, and you have a Harris Teeter. And if you go just a little bit further down, you have a Trader Joe's. And you can head over to Friendly Center, and there's another Harris Teeter there. So I like options. I like that this has lots of options and that it's close by. So each of the townhouses get their own assigned spots, and there's tons of visitor spots. And then the mail you would collect down here. I think there's 2 trash can bins throughout the community. Let's talk green spaces. We're right next to the greenway here, but if you didn't want to hop on that, the Military Park and Country Park are about 11 minutes away. Hamilton Lakes is 10 if you're looking for that. All those over there, watch the video that I did on like green spaces within the area. They're all right there together. So you've got the Ball Gardens, the Arboretum, Lindley Park, and Hamilton Lakes that are all right there together. So that's 10 minutes. And then you've got Lake Higgins and Burmill Park if you're looking for water sports or a more in-depth trail around Burmill. That's 13 minutes away. The schools that you would be slotted for here are Guilford Western Elementary, Guilford Western Middle, and Guilford Western High School. So I hope you learned all that you wanted to learn about the neighborhood of Carriage Crossing, an amazing townhouse community that's so quiet, tucked back in here. If you want to see another neighborhood, you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.